Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 3 of our Christmas clearance visuals and UPC codes. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, let's just do a quick rundown of all of the Christmas visual videos that we have so far. So in part 1, I go over all the Christmas seasonal and home decor items. In part 2, I cover all of the other categories like Christmas storage, stationery, apparel, air care, pet, candy, and food. So if you missed out on either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check those out. Now for this video, which is part 3, this is kind of like an update video. So I have more pictures and UPC codes to share with you all for each category. Plus, we're going to go over all of our Christmas baking items as well. Now also, earlier this morning, I did upload a video going over all of the new Dollar General clearance markdowns. We also talked about the 25-cent sale with our Christmas clearance items, plus the penny list. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. Now, as our Christmas clearance items continue to drop in price and they will eventually penny out, I'm going to come back to the part 1, 2, and 3 videos and leave the most recent clearance video in the pinned comment. So like I said, if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you check out the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so starting off, we're going to take a look at our Christmas seasonal category. And I do have a few items that I wanted to add into this category for you all. So keep in mind that we have all of our Christmas gift bags. Those are included in the Christmas seasonal markdowns. Now we have some that are small that start out at $1 or $2 all the way up to $4 and $5. Now, we also have tons and tons and tons of Christmas ornaments that are included in the Christmas seasonal markdowns. But I wanted to go ahead and point out these right here that are in the clear packaging. Those do have a sticker on them that say shatterproof, but some of the ones that I'm finding out there are dented up or even broken. So before you purchase those, make sure that you give them a good look over. Alright, now next up, I want to talk about these little money holder Christmas cards. Now, if you guys watched part 1 and 2, you already know that there are exclusions, and one of those exclusions were the Christmas cards. But keep in mind that there are some items like these little money holder cards that will be included in the Christmas clearance markdowns. And then I also found a few more tabletop decor items and a couple of signs that I wanted to share with you all. Now, I know that I've been seeing comments saying, hey, my store doesn't have any of the Christmas stuff left. They've sent it all back. Well, if that is the case, right now might be a good time to go ahead and venture outside of your area and go to a different DG and see what all they have. Alright, now for our next category of items, we have our Christmas home decor items. Now for this category, I don't have anything to add to it yet. I haven't been finding anything new with those green price tags on them, but I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys a reminder to be on the lookout for those forest green price tags. Make sure you're checking out your NCI stores and in those home sections. Alright, next up, I have a couple of items to add to our Christmas stationery and books category. So first up, we have these candy cane pens. Now notice that these do not have the red price tags. They have the regular yellow price tags. They're normally priced at $1. So those are in fact marking down with our Christmas clearance items. Alright, now also included in our Christmas stationery category, we have our Christmas party supplies. So you'll want to be on the lookout for any of those Christmas themed paper plates and napkins. Now, I'm not quite sure what happened with the stores in my area, but it seems like they didn't receive a whole lot of the paper plates and napkins this time around. These were the only 2 items that I found, and I found these at different stores. Alright, so for our next category that we're going to talk about, we have our Christmas pet category. So if you guys watched part 1 and part 2, I did include our Christmas pet advent calendar. That one is included and marking down with our Christmas clearance items. Now, while I was out and about this week, I also saw this huge display box full of Christmas themed pet toys. Now, I want you guys to be careful with these items because even though they are Christmas themed and you would think that they would be included in our Christmas clearance markdowns, a lot of them are still ringing up full price. So I've just put the UPC code on your screen there for you all if you want to check it yourself. And as the weeks go on, if these do in fact penny out with our Christmas clearance items, you guys will be the first to know. Alright, so up next we have our Christmas air care category, and there is a lot included in this category. This is all of our name brand air care products. So Glade, Febreze, Airwick, and then we have a few True Living products as well. So if you missed out on part 1 and part 2 of our Christmas visual videos, make sure that you go and check those out. But for this video, I do have a few more additions that I need to make to that category and share with you all. But first, let's go ahead and talk about the coupons. So we did receive a new 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Febreze products. We also still have that $3.30 off 2 digital coupon on the Febreze products. Both of those coupons do not expire until January the 28th. Now, we also still have that $175 off 1 digital coupon for the Airwick products. And then we also have a couple of insert coupons that don't expire until the 28th. So we've got $150 off 1 for the Airwick Essential Mist refills, as well as $150 off 1 for the Airwick Scented Oil refills. So be on the lookout for those name brand products, and if you find one, make sure that you use those coupons. And if your store still has the older registers in place, that is going to give you huge overages. Alright, so now let's take a look at the additions to our air care category. We have the Febreze 2-count car clips winter forest scent. We also have the apple cider donut Airwick starter kit. We also have the Glade fall night long 2-count oil refills, as well as the True Living pumpkin spice 2-count oil refills. Alright, now moving right along, let's go ahead and talk about the Christmas apparel category. Now, this category does include the holiday family pajama sets. So they have some for girls, boys, men's, and women's. Alright, now also included in this Christmas apparel category, we have the holiday themed socks. So first up, we have the light up knee-high socks. Then we also have a few different designs of the ladies low-cut socks. Those are normally $1 each. And then we also have a couple of the ladies crew style socks. Now, also included in this category, we have the holiday leggings. Now, there are different sizes. I tried to find the UPC code for each size and design. So we have the 2X, the extra large, the large, and the mediums on the black holiday leggings. And then on the red holiday leggings, I found the sizes 2X, extra large, large, and medium. Alright, up next I have a few additions to make to our Christmas candy category. So we do have the holiday themed Jolly Rancher gummies. Then I also found a few chocolate bars that are included. So we have the small Hershey's Santa bars, as well as the Hershey's sugar cookie flavored chocolate bars. So be on the lookout for those. You may be able to find those up near the register in the regular candy section. Alright, and last but not least, let's go ahead and talk about our Christmas baking category. Now, this category of items has definitely given us all a run for our money this year at Dollar General, because initially, this category was following the Christmas clearance markdowns. However, at some point, they jumped back up to full price. However, as of last night, this has been fixed and the Christmas baking items are included in our Christmas clearance markdowns. So let's go ahead and jump right in and see what exactly is included in this Christmas baking category. So first up, we have several of the Clover Valley seasonings that are included in the baking category. So we have the Clover Valley ground nutmeg, the Clover Valley ground cloves, as well as the Clover Valley poultry seasoning. And we have the Clover Valley ground sage. And also included, we have the Clover Valley pumpkin pie spice, as well as the Clover Valley ground ginger. Alright, next up, also included, we have the Betty Crocker red sugar sprinkles, as well as the Betty Crocker sugar green sprinkles. Also included, we have the Betty Crocker snowflake sequined sprinkles. Also included, we have the Betty Crocker writing icing, as well as the Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix. Alright, up next we have the 15-ounce cans of the Clover Valley canned pumpkin, as well as the 15-ounce cans of the Libby's pure pumpkin. Next up, we have the 14-ounce cans of the Ocean Spray jellied cranberry sauce. And then we also have the 6-ounce bags of the Clover Valley French fried onions, as well as the stovetop turkey stuffing 6-ounce boxes. And last but certainly not least, we have the 24-ounce Clover Valley almond bark, as well as the Betty Crocker cinnamon toast crunch Cinnadust frosting. Alright guys, so there you have it for all of our updates to our Christmas clearance categories. And like I said, if you missed part 1 and part 2, make sure that you go back and check out both of those videos, because there is a lot more information on those 2 videos for you all. And even if you watched them once, you might want to go back and watch them a second or a third time. That way you're getting familiar with all of these items, and when they eventually penny out, you will be able to spot them a whole lot easier. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. These videos take a lot of time to put together, so if you guys could, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. I would really, really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.